To connect a parallel kit to your P3200iE generators, follow these steps. Only use an approved Polaris parallel kit for your generators, and never operate with only one generator connected. Follow all warnings listed in your owner's manuals, and only start your generator outdoors in a well-ventilated area. Ensure both generators are off and the fuel valves are closed. Connect the AC parallel cable to the parallel socket on each generator. Always stop both engines before connecting or removing the parallel cable. Ensure all appliances are powered off and disconnected. Start each generator following the proper usage procedures listed in the owner's manual. Monitor the overload indicator light to prevent generator damage. Then connect the appliance to the parallel kit and turn it on to use. Do not exceed the combined rated power of the parallel generators and avoid running for more than 30 minutes at max output. To turn off the generators and disconnect the parallel kit, first, turn off the appliance and then disconnect it from the parallel kit. Then, turn off both generators using proper procedures listed in the owner's manual. And finally, disconnect the parallel cable from the generators. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit polarispower.com.